guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from the names, prices, product codes, features, and launch dates. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So as a practice, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video and help me reach 5,000 subs this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at DAMIER52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us continue with the Women's Spring-Summer 2025 collection. First, we have Kuzan PM from the new denim collection. The price of this one is 3,600 euro or 4,550 USD. Material is in denim, color is in pink. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable gold chain strap as well. This collection, guys, is launching March 21st, 2025. Next, we have the Horizon size 55. Price is 3,400 euro or 4,150 USD. SK is provided. Material is in denim, however the colorway is gray with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with silver hardware. Next, on the new denim collection for the Spring-Summer 2025, we have the on-the-go size MM. So guys, the price of this one is 3,000 euro or 3,700 USD. Material is denim in gray. It would come with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware. It would have leather shoulder strap and denim bag tag. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, let us continue. Next, we have Speedy Soft 30. Price of this one is 3,000 euro or 3,700 USD. So this is a softer version or slouchy version of the Speedy in denim. Colorway is gray. It would come with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware, leather shoulder strap, denim bag tag, key clochette, lock, and key. Launching March 21st. Next, we have the Sunset shoulder bag. Price of this one is 2,450 euro or 3,000 USD. Colorway of the denim of this bag is color pink. So I have discussed this previously, but now we have more photos for you. So this is the interior, guys. It would come with detachable vachetta strap, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Next, guys, so we have Kipal bandolier size 45. Price of this one is 3,000 euro. Material is in denim and the colorway is gray. It would come with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware. It would come with detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, bag tag, key clochette, and lock and key set as well. Next, guys, on the denim collection, we have the Pochette Cosmétique. So the price of this one is 720 euro. So we have SKU here. So the main material is in denim with cowhide leather trims. So once I have more photos of the Pochette Cosmétique, I will be sharing it on a future vlog or perhaps on our community wall. So kindly stay tuned. Next, guys, we have the Venice NM. Price of this one is 2,900 euro. Materials in denim and the colorway is pink. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with gold hardware, and of course they are bringing back the koala nose closure, which is very reminiscent of the 90s design Louis Vuitton bags. Next, let us discuss carry all PM. So guys, for the price and SKU of this one, kindly stand by. But for this, this is of course the newer design of LV. It would come in the denim material in the colorway of gray. It would come also with cowhide leather trims, adjustable shoulder strap, detachable pouch on the inside. It would come with gold hardware. Next, guys, we have the side trunk. So price SKU, kindly stand by. But the materials in denim with cowhide leather trims in colorway gray. It would come with detachable leather top handle, and it would come with detachable crossbody strap as we could see here, and it would come with gold hardware as well. So what do you think, guys, of the denim version of the side trunk? Would you go for it? Kindly comment down below. And how about this new design bag, guys? So we have the Kuzan Hobo. Price SQ, kindly stand by. So the material of this one is in denim with cowhide leather trims. Of course, it would come in the color gray colorway. It would come with detachable chain handle, canvas shoulder strap, and it would come with smaller detachable pochette on the inside. Next, guys, we have the key clay or pochette clay. Price of this one is 505 USD. We have SKU here. Materials in denim with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is in pink. It would come with gold chain hardware as you could see. So as previously discussed, this one, guys, order right away because definitely this would be gone in seconds. Next, let us discuss a new collection. So we have the Monceries PM, still part of the Spring Summer 2025 that would be launching March 21st. But the main material of this new collection would be the Damier Azur. Price of this Monceries PM is 3,100 USD. Materials Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with detachable backpack straps with gold hardware. Next, guys, new design LV bag. So we have the slouchy, but the size is MM. Price of this one is 2,550 USD. We have SKU here. Material is the Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trims. The shoulder strap is unfortunately is non-adjustable. It would come with vachetta strap, detachable padlock as well. Then, guys, we have the size in PM. So we have the slouchy PM. Price of this one is 2,450 USD. Materials Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trims, non-adjustable vachetta strap. It would come with detachable smaller vachetta bag tag and padlock as well, launching March 21st, 2025. Then, guys, we have SLG. So first we have the Romy card holder. Price of this one is $395. So definitely I feel this would be a bestseller as well. I think everyone missed the Damier Azur. Kindly comment down below, guys, if you have missed the Damier Azur canvas of LV, because I think it's about time that they have released new design version for the Damier Azur canvas. Then we have the Lisa wallet. Price of this one is $520 USD. Materials Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trims. Leather is in color pink. The interior, it would come with gold hardware. Alright, so next on the collection, of course, we have the mini Bumbag. So this one, for the price and SKU, kindly stand by. So the material of this one is the Damier Azur canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with leather chain belt bag strap. This would be launching March 21st, 2025. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!